is in there? A princess notebook?
Yeah.
Car needs a trunk. What else is in your stocking?
Oh. Okay. Okay.
What is it? Pens, markers, princess necklace?
Yeah. Okay, wait. No more.
No more in there?
We did that one.
Let me hang your stocking back up.
All done.
All done with the stocking?
Oh no, we did one more. Oh, all done.
All done.
Mommy,
Yeah?
we did that one later.
Let's let him work in a lady's stocking.
Yeah. Done the later stuff.
Where are you gonna go?
To try. Teddy bear.
What'd you get?
Oh. Oh.
What'd you get, Taylor?
Um,
What is it?
pencil.
A princess car? Who brought it for you?
Santa.
Santa brought it.
Papa.
Mm-hmm.
Santa be my purple tar.
He brought you a purple car?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Santa. Say it to the camera.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Santa.
Push the
Push the button.
No.
Why not?
Let Teddy be.
Push the button.
Make it drive, Taylor. Teddy bear wants to go someplace. Take him.
Oh.
Push it.
Mom.
Push it.
Okay. Open this, Mommy.
We're gonna open other stuff first.
You have to drive.
Oh, have jars.
Drive over it to me. Push it.
No.
You're silly. It's okay.
It's too hard.
It is not.
Yep.
Push it with your foot.
Hey, Mommy.
Careful, Louise. What are you doing?
Leather. I love leather.
What does it say? What does it say? What's this letter?
P.
And then that, what's that one?
N. R.
What's that one?
L.
No, I.
I. M. S.
What's this one?
S.
No. C.
C. E. S. S.
It says princess.
S. A. Princess.
Make it
Push the button.
drive over here.
The button.
Yeah.
Hold it down. No, not with your hand.
Foot.
With your foot.
Step on it, Taylor. Step on it. Then your car's not going to drive. Make it drive. You're a scaredy cat.
It's scary.
It's scary?
Santa be my pet and that my purple dog.
Yeah.
Okay, say goodbye.